go.
Okay. Hi, everybody. My name is Rohan. I'm one of the founders of Clarity, and we're selling a product that I think is going to be pretty useful for most people here. We're selling an operating system for founder-led sales. My sense is that there's a lot of founders in this room, and we have a lot of tools that are going to be very useful for you to both figure out what to build and how to sell it. So the way Clarity works at its core is that it is a conversational intelligence platform with call recording built in. We connect to your calendar and directly start recording all your calls, whether it's through a Zoom bot, or you can also do botless recording with our desktop app. Then everything gets organized and then analyzed by our conversational intelligence. So for example, this is a sales call where Clarity's automatically extracting product feedback directly connected to all of the different clips within this call. Also, you can do call templates where you can extract structured output that is going to be useful for example, sales discovery, recruiting, or fundraising calls. This then powers our CRM, Clarity Matrix. You can think of Clarity Matrix as Notion tables on steroids. It's the flexibility of Notion, but built with the power that you have when everything is actually integrated. So we connect to your email, we integrate your meeting data, and then we allow you to do really fun things like, for example, build AI fields that can actually automatically extract and pull data from all of the different things that are in your interactions with customers. The final piece of the puzzle is Clarity Surface. You can think of surfaces as your AI co-founder that has perfect recall and unlimited patience. You can use Clarity Surface to answer questions like, what are recent feature requests that come from sales calls? You can do things like analyze my pipeline, help me think about how to improve my sales pitch. We're basically pulling data from every single interaction. So we hear a lot of people are copying and pasting transcripts into ChatGPT. The problem with that is that it ultimately doesn't have context on your business. It doesn't have the full array of every single data point. So we're building Clarity. It's an operating for founder-led sales. $20 per user per month. You're probably paying like $500 to $1,000 for all of the different things we offer. So check it out.
All right, quick show of hands. Raise your hand if you're a founder. Raise your hand if you're a founder. Keep your hand up if you had a customer video call sometime this past week. Keep your hand up if you recorded it and with a tool that allowed you to slice and dice it. Cool. All right.
Sweet.
All right. Question.
We have a question.
Yeah.
Yeah, so right now we support call recordings, email, calendar data. We're integrating with Notion. We also integrate with Slack. So you can kind of think of us as like Glean for startups, but very targeted towards ICP of founders doing founder-led sales.
Do y'all support Discord?
We can.
Question.
That was so.
What language is it good at other than English?
Yeah, so we have customers that do Italian. We have customers in India. We have customers doing it in French. There are calls where people are changing languages in the middle of the call. It all outputs in English, unfortunately, or fortunately, but we can do anything.
All right, thanks.
Question.
So what is some of the most interesting customer insights that you have discovered using your product?
Yeah, it's funny because every time I demo the product, when I show the insights, it's exactly the pain points that the person I'm demoing to has, which is mostly just, I mean, it's honestly not rocket science. It's just like the current way that we do sales is broken, and founder-led sales is the best approach because the person building is the same person selling, but ultimately every decision we make is made with incomplete context. And so that is the biggest reason that people use Clarity is because they want to make decisions with a full set of context, and we're kind of like the co-pilot for that.
I got a question. Are you going to allow like export to Notion, or are you going to try to like own the downstream slicing and dicing of customer feedback as well?
So we're building a source of truth. So yeah, we're going to be your Notion. We're going to be your Salesforce. We're going to be there's going to be a tower on the skyline named after us one day. So like,
love it. Love it.
Get ready.
Awesome. What kind of feedback do you want from the audience?
Just check out the product. You can sign up, and it's super easy to use. You're already talking to customers. It'll make it all super easy, automated. Yeah, just let us know how it goes.
Awesome. Thank you.